Hey, and welcome back everyone. And this is the news pie that the mailman has kindly sent to me. This is the atomic pie. Basically what this was is it was a board that they were making for a company that was making a robot. And it was on a Kickstart program, and apparently by the time they got to a point, they found out there was going to be too much money to make it, so they kind of gave up, but they had all these left. So, price of these are about 30 bucks, which is really great for what it's got on it. And in this box here, they gave me a bunch of neat stuff in here. We'll go over it a little bit. What this is a power board, which connects to it to allow you to get power to it. This is the way it's set up. So we're going to turn around and open this up and show you it. So there you go. There's a connector going to the board. They have some nice standoffs on it. There's your power connector. They got some LEDs. And we'll be putting this together so you can see what it looks like. So we'll put that right off to the side here. And in here, they gave me a camera this time with this one. I only ordered a board, but they gave me some extras this time because I've ordered a bunch of these. So this is a camera that comes with it that you can hook up, which is really neat. And so we're going to try to play with this and do stuff with this too. It's a very nice camera. They're very clean, clear to do a lot of different things, and we'll put that in a little bit. But here is the main board, and as you can see, it has a very large heat sink on it. It's got all your different connectors that you need on it. It's got a bunch of other different connectors for different things, but it's got a USB 3, and it's got a gigabit port. A couple of these connectors are for like the camera and stuff. Here's your SD card slot, your power switch, and your HDMI. But one of the unique things about this is that it is, again, a 2 gigabit board. And it also has the Intel Atom processor in it, which means it can run Windows and Linux on it. And it's a pretty nice board, pretty fancy board. There's besides this power strip that comes with it, they got another bigger board that's about the size of this that you can put on it, which has a lot of extra connectors and things like that. The other weird thing on this, well, not weird, but nice thing about this is it does have some sensors on it that tell you different things. It's got a temperature sensor on it, an altitude sensor on it. It has a compass on it. So it's a big bang for your buck for all that you get on it. So what we're going to do real quickly is we're going to put this together just to get it so that it looks nice and ready to go. And then the next video on this, I'll show you basically how it runs and how it works. But they are great little boards. Well, not little, but they're bigger. As you can see, we'll put it against here, the Raspberry Pi. There you can see how much bigger it is. Here's the Pi, and here's it. But they also sent me a power supply with it so that I can power it and work with it. But overall, it's got a lot of neat features and a lot of things it can do for what it is. And for 30 bucks, it is a great deal. But you gotta get them as quickly as you can because they made quite a few thousand of them, but they're being sold very quickly. People are catching on to what these are, and people are buying a lot of them. Again, for the price, you can't beat it for all that it does. So anyways, what we're going to do now is we're going to start putting it together and see what it looks like when we're done. And give me a second here while I get Mr. Screwdriver out. I'm going to use a regular size screwdriver for this to help out. Yeah. That'll make things a little easier. So what we're going to do is take these screws out here. They're already in here. Oh, wrong size. Let's get the bigger one. We're going to take this and we're going to get the screw out. And the whole thing wants to turn. So we're going to need Mr. Pliers. And I have to find him. There we are. We'll use Mr. Pliers here. Grab a hold of this shaft here. And there we go. Get that one out. There we go. Now we'll do the same thing to this one. So we got it on the flat side here. There we go. This actually attaches to here, like so. Make sure it's on good and tight. We're going to put that down right there. And we're going to take the screws and put them back in. Sometimes they just don't want to play right, so you gotta do that. There. And let's take the last one here. He's one around and wait for me. And put that in here. And we do that. Now, if you notice, it kind of sits weird because, see, you got it kind of like that. So this end needs to come up. So this is why I always buy a package of standoffs like these. So this way I can put some standoffs on it and level it out some more. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at what we got here. And let's see, is this going to be the right one? And it looks a little too long. Okay, let me try this one here. And that looks better. Yeah, so that's going to make it more level. So what we're going to do is we're going to get two of these guys out here. And we're going to get two screws out for them. Pull this back up. And basically we're going to take the screws and we're going to put the screw. Yep. My fat little fingers. Stuff is a lot easier for people who have smaller fingers, but I'm going to put the screw there. And we're going to take the stand off and put it in here. And let it tighten up. And we're going to do the same with this one. And drop it right into hole there. And put standoff in it. Okay. And what we're going to do is we just need to use our fingers and just do a little bit of tighten up, because it doesn't have to be, how should I say, gorilla tight, because it won't move that much once it's tightened down the right way. And I think this one I need the smaller. These are different types of head. So let's try using a smaller one. There we go. Okay. And there you go. Now, it looks much more flat when it sits, as you can see. So that way you have none of this touching. It's all up above. This screw here, there's enough room so none of this touches, and it goes like that. This also has a battery, because it has an onboard time clock, a real time clock. And let's see here, I gotta read these jumpers here because I gotta figure out which ones are which. Because we've got here UART volume, speaker 1, speaker 2. Let's see here, what does this one say here? Webcam right there. So looks like that's the one that we're going to use with this cable here. And we're going to connect this into here. And then we can connect it to here. And there you go. Now it's set up once we put the software on it to run the camera. It'll be ready to go. So that's the Atomic Pi. Like I said, it's a great little board, very nicely priced, very inexpensive, and does a lot of things. So in the next video on this, again, we'll load the software into it, and we'll show you different things that it does and how it works. All right, so thank you everybody watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.